Okay, so another week has gone by. Thought I'd do a real quick video. Just had to go grab a hen from the back end that got out. We've had some cooler weather come through again. Last few days in the 30s, below freezing. I had planted some stuff. I'm not going to plant anymore right now. We're going to wait and see how this goes. So let me go ahead, turn the camera around, and I'll show you what I've planted, and we'll talk about that. It's going to be a fairly quick, short video. Anyhow, tomatoes, they're not looking very good. I was able to cover them with plastic, but I don't know if they're going to last or not. They were looking a lot better a couple days ago, but we've had, like I said, 2 days of really cold weather overnight in the low 30s, and they may not have made it. I don't know yet. We've got celery, which has some green coming up again on it, so maybe they've made it. I'm hoping the tomatoes will bounce back. And we've got rain coming tomorrow, so I'm not going to really water them down too much today. But the kale's looking pretty good. Jalapenos and banana peppers. That's really all I've got planted so far. I didn't want to do too much in the way of planting with not knowing how the weather was going to be. But anyhow, this one kale here in the center doesn't look very good at all, but I'm going to see if it'll bounce back as well. So those two beds are empty right now. That bed's empty, and this is our strawberries, and they're doing real good. So we should have a real good crop of strawberries. I'm hoping that this cold weather didn't mess up the apples. This apple tree had a lot of buds that were on it, so hopefully it'll still produce some apples this year. The other apple tree, I don't know if it's got anything on it yet. I've got one almond tree up on the little hill over there that's looking pretty good. The other one's not looking so good, but you know, what are you gonna do? Blackberry bush, hopefully it'll work out. It won't be messed up, but that's not going to produce till later on this year. The blueberry bushes had flowering happening on them, so I'm hoping they made it, and the cherry tree as well. The peach trees, especially this one here in the front, had a lot coming up on it, so I'm really hoping, because there's a lot of these little peaches on the tree now that are coming up. I am hoping that it produces this year. So it's full of peaches. So anyhow, really that's pretty much all there is. I got the new flags up. Did that about a week ago. It's not very windy today, so you probably won't see it too well, but new flags flying out on the homestead again. So anyhow, hope everybody had a great week and that you have a great weekend. See you on the next video.